Hi, my name is Jonas. I'm a product designer at Enduristan, here from the headquarters in Seuzach, Switzerland. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Blizzard 2 on your motorbike. So the first thing to install the Blizzard 2, you take them, put them over your seat, and then of course you have to adjust the two straps that go over the seat. Here we recommend to tighten them so that the bags are as close as possible to the bike. So I just do that. And on this bike we have an aftermarket seat, and you will see that we need to get closer, so therefore we have to re-thread these straps. This is very easy. You just take them out, remove the Velcro strap keeper, loop the strap out like this, and now you have much more space. You thread in the Velcro strap keeper again and go through the cam buckle. Same on the other side. Like this, you already see you can fit the bags much closer to the bike. The next step is the rear mounting. Here we have two options to choose from. It really depends on your bike and how you want to set it up. So one option is this rear strap. Here you would just find a place on your bike to loop it through, go through the cam lock, and then tighten it down. The other option is our anchor point system. In the rear you have for this two straps with aluminium parts and two aluminium pins that go into the fender or rear rack, wherever you may fit them. So these two straps with these aluminium pieces should come straight out from the rear of the bag and should be kept in a straight line to the back. Then you can mark the holes for drilling and be aware to watch what's underneath the fender to not drill into a rear tank or don't have any collision with other parts. Then of course you can drill it, select the screw that fits, assemble it, put the washer and the self-locking nut beneath, and tighten everything down. To adjust the bags now, where you want to have them, you tie down those straps until you're satisfied with the position, and afterwards the adjustment of the bag will be done on the front strap of the bag. This means that you don't have to loosen those straps when you want to take it off the bike. Again, here you can loop the strap that you have like this. In case you're afraid that the CRR device will scratch the surface of your bike, we supply you with two protective stickers that you can put on the bike to protect the paint job. So this is how you mount your Blizzard 2 saddlebags on your bike. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have questions, please reach out to us directly or ask one of our dealers worldwide. Have fun, stay safe wherever you ride.